Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Shadow 750 Aero. This classic style cruiser has a beautiful two-tone paint scheme, touring windscreen, road lights, floorboards, engine guards, saddlebags. It's got a really nice ultimate touring saddle and a great sounding Cobra exhaust. Come on by, make your lightweight touring V-twin dreams come true for just $39.99 with this beautiful shaft drive V-twin 750 Honda. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.